What's up, guys? It's Oneway, Leo. Today we're going down the slide. Oh, my arse is wet. My arse is soaked. My arse is soaked.
Let's see your ass. Show your ass.
Guys, so it's Oneway.Leo doing the intro today, boys. Today we are in St. Joseph's Park. And we've got this fat cunt with a fucking mask on. You're a fat shit.
What are we doing today, Leo? What are we doing? Break it down. Break it down.
I really want to say something. Basically, we've just been in Subway and KFC because this fat cunt had the whole menu. And then this little nitbag smoking.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Right, so we're in City. We're in City. Got Alfie, Leo, got Oneway Ryan, Fumble Up, Fat Cunt.
Oneway Leo.
This guy here, got OW Hubs. So we're in the park right now.
No, it's Oneway Whale, man.
Oh yeah, right. Oneway Whale out here.
And Oneway Neve.
Oneway Neve. We're just gonna be getting some clips from City, so.
You fish oil bait out a picture of you with the fish.
Alright.
Go on,
lad.
Oh
shit! Again.
Jump off. No, jump off.
Shit. Alright, do a mega push, fam.
Someone take his bite.
Push him hard. Alright, Charlie, do it. Do that mad push it. Oh shit. Push him. Alright, Charlie, do it.
Charlie, make it to favour. Wait.
Alright, let Charlie do it.
No, we're doing this. We're doing this. Whoa. Charlie, move. My turn. Flip it! Wait, move. Wait.
It's gonna flip, fam.
No, wait, look, move.
Oh!
My bloody god!
He's so scared.
Oh! Alright, Ryan, where's your shoe? Where's your shoe?
Come on. What?
Wait! No fighting! No violence!
Fat boy. Just put down.
Alright, mind out the way, I'm trying to get this one.
I want another person fighting. Leo, get on.
Shut the fuck
Leo, how'd you feel?
Leo, if you do it again, you have to try stand up for the longest.
I beg you shut the fuck up.
Ah!
I'm doing that again.
What were you doing? It's not even
Oh shit. This guy's done out here. He's gonna Jeez. I will take over. Oh. Will, take over. Leo, you show us something?
That was brilliant. Jeez, dang! My arse hurts. And now does my hand. Because I'm recording this ginge. Oh my god, my hand's killing. So is my bum. Oh, he landed there. But it don't count because you tapped the floor though. Faggot. Oh shit! One way to take over. One way to take over. With little spinning cranks, how?
Did you get that?
Yeah, of course I did. Imagine your tire skidded and you went into the back of it. That was so peak. Come on. Yeah. Oi.
Yo, so this video is changing now. Obviously I was on my fat and I was with Leo, but now it's all switched up a lot. So this is my C100, my new bike. I'm going to be doing a little bike check of it. And I'm going to jump into it straight away. First thing wrong, haven't got a bar end here. Going to get that sorted soon. But yeah, let's jump into this. First thing I got was my Renfrew bars. I got them today, fresh from the shop, Dean's Garage in Beckenham. Make sure you go down to that bike shop if you need Renfrew bars. They also have a lot more stockage, like brakes, everything. I've got a RSP stem and a KTM top cap that A1 bust to me. At the moment I'm rocking a Shimano brake. I'm going to get that pattern soon. Moving on to my Santor air forks with a through axle. I've got some big disc on the front. I've got hookworms, Maxis. They don't really fit properly at the back, but I'm getting fixed slicks tomorrow. As you can see, it's literally touching there, but I'm gonna get that sorted tomorrow. It comes with this seat. I actually quite like this seat. It's good for everything. Got my ODI grips. Moving on to this came with the bike, the Shimano Z cranks. They're really fresh. I love them. And the gold Holotech bottom bracket, as well as the grip tape that I put on the frame for combos. I really recommend that if you like doing combos on MTB. Got the Dior shifter down there. See, it says Dior, that comes standard with the bike, along with the cassette and the shifters. And it's got a nice black frame with an orange layout, obviously C100. It's got the collective bikes on the front. And yeah, I really love it. Like, honestly, I was going to quit bikes because I was so bored of my fat. I'm not saying I didn't like my fat, but obviously I could do like everything on a fat. But I really wanted a challenge, and when I went out, I would just sit down. So when I go out now, sorry, I got a phone call anyway, continue. When I go out now, obviously I don't sit down because it's harder to do tricks on a mountain bike. So it makes me go out, like, it motivates me to try more tricks. And this bike has literally saved me with bikes. I was honestly going to quit. Big shout out to Collective Bikes, Jake 100 and Ryan Taylor, because they have done an amazing job on this bike. I mean, look at it. It just looks so nice. The frame is beautiful. Literally, I love this bike. So shout out to Jake 100, Collective Bikes and Ryan Taylor. They've done an amazing job. And yeah, this is my C100. Sorry for the switch up in the video. I didn't get any more clips when I was in city for reasons. But yeah, it's my C100. Okay, well, my dear, drop the knee. Ooh, watch him.